Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch is paired to your iPhone and both devices are updated. This avoids verification hiccups. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then choose Add Card. You'll scan or enter card details and complete the bank's verification steps. Once verified, the card syncs to your watch. Do this step now because until the card is added, you cannot pay from the watch, so add and verify before moving on. Once the card is on your watch, secure it. Set a watch passcode and enable wrist detection so payments require a worn, unlocked watch. In the Watch app, choose your default card. This is the card Apple Pay tries first. Rearrange cards if needed for quick access. If you use transit, enable Express Transit for the supported card so you don't need to authenticate. Make sure your bank and country support Apple Pay on Apple Watch to avoid surprises. To pay, double-click the side button on your watch, select the card if needed, then hold the watch face near the contactless reader until you feel a tap and hear a chime. A check mark confirms payment. For transit, just tap if Express Transit is enabled. If a payment fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both watch and iPhone, confirm the card is verified in Wallet. And if problems persist, remove and re-add the card, or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.